Find out what the hot annuals for 2024 are at Salisbury Greenhouse. I'm Tracy Gray, and this is Rob. All right, Rob, what are they?
Well, speaking of hot, I see, hold this.
Okay.
So that's a Trinidad scorpion pepper, one of the hottest in the world.
Wow, that's hot.
Don't be afraid. Okay. This is a ghost. So growing the ultra hot peppers has become really popular.
Oh, okay.
All right. So for people
Nice.
crazier than myself, they like doing this, and they take a lot of heat, right? But they give you a lot of heat, so you're good. So now annuals, lots of new annuals this year. The Pantone of the year this year is peach fuzz.
That's the color.
That's the color, so it's very
Wow.
close to this. So we've
it.
grown extra peach fuzziness around the greenhouse. You can see a lot of it in baskets. You can see a lot of it in magazines, things like that. Kind of high fashion for annuals.
So beautiful.
Yeah, and spring foliage, also very popular.
All right, well, you can find out what else is hot with gardening this season and stop by any one of the Salisbury locations, Sherwood Park, St. Albert, or check them out online at salisburygreenhouse.com.